We're going to make a fresh strawberry pie. We've got a few steps, so there is some prep time in this. You need to have a pre-baked pie shell, so go ahead and take care of that. It needs to be cool because this is going to be a fresh strawberry pie, not cooked. We do need to cook the ingredients and let that cool and then add the strawberries to it. So let's get started and I'll show you what I do. So to really sweeten up the berries even more and to make them stick together so that when you slice the pie, they don't just crumble everywhere, we're going to make a Jell-O mixture and we're going to boil it on the stove. So first we're going to add in the water, some sugar, the Jell-O, and I'm using a strawberry Jell-O, and we're going to mix that together until it's all incorporated, and we're going to bring it to a boil. And once this is just mixed together, I'm also going to add in some salt and some cornstarch. The cornstarch, you won't taste it, but it's going to make it very thick so that it stays nice and solid. And you're going to mix that really well. And you're going to bring it to a boil and let it boil for 1 minute. It's a good idea to just keep stirring it so nothing sticks at the bottom of that pan. We're taking our hot gelatin and I've prepped a bowl. I have ice on the bottom bowl and then just a clear bowl on top. And we're going to pour that right in there and let it cool. And that will just help cool this faster. We want it to be cool but not firm. So we're going to go ahead and hull the strawberries next while that's cooling. And I'm just soaking them in a little bit of water just to clean up any sand or any extra leaves that are on there. And to hull the strawberries, you're going to take the strawberry and simply just cut off the top portion and discard it. And we can then go ahead and chop them into a little bit thicker slices for that great strawberry flavor. So now we're to one of the final stages. We have our pre-baked pie crust, we have our gelatin strawberry mixture, and then we have our sliced and hulled strawberries. With the gelatin strawberry mixture, we've let it cool over a bowl of ice, and what I'm looking for is that when I put it up to the side, that it sticks to the side just a little bit, because what we don't want is it to be too warm and coat the strawberries and then just all sink to the bottom. We want it to be nice and high and really full. So we're going to add our strawberries in. And we're going to coat them so that every single one of them has a little glaze to it. And again, we cooled it so that the strawberries stay fresh and they don't cook at all. And then we're going to add it right into our pie shell. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? This is summer right here. This will work with store-bought strawberries. I wouldn't recommend with the frozen strawberries because I think it'll add too much moisture and you'll just have kind of a soupiness. So this is meant more for using fresh strawberries. These were just picked, but you can go to the grocery store and get a box of strawberries and make a delicious strawberry pie with this. Cover it with some plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours until that's all firmed up. And if you're wondering what pie crust I'm using, of course I make my own, and I have a video on that. You can check out the link above. It is officially summer. The pie is done. The strawberries are so good and it's so pretty. A little dollop of Cool Whip and you can see somebody already took a piece of the pie out on us. So I hope you enjoy this. The recipe is at the end of the video. And remember, you just need to have a little extra time to have that pie crust pre-baked and to have time for everything to cool down. And you'll have a beautiful, fresh strawberry pie. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.